Progressive Nation 2008 was a North American tour headlined by the progressive metal band Dream Theater. Along with Opeth, Between the Buried and Me, and 3. The tour is the brainchild of Mike Portnoy, who stated, "I've been wanting to assemble a package tour like this for many years now. With all of the festivals and package tours that go through America, I've been talking with our manager and agent for over 10 years now about doing something that focuses on the more progressive, musician-oriented side of hard rock and metal. I decided it was time to stop talking the talk, lace up and finally walk the walk." Unlike previous Dream Theater tours, performances were held in cities that they had not visited before in the past or cities they had not played in for several years. This tour also marked the first time since the release of Images and Words, where the group performed in small venues and performance halls. See the lists. An Odyssey 2008. Also Sprach Zarathustra, Richard Strauss cover. Constant Motion in the Presence of Enemies. Beyond This Life, Strange Deja Vu. Blind Faith or Misunderstood. Surrounded. Forsaken. Never Enough. Erotomania. Voices. As I Am. The Ministry of Lost Souls. Metropolis PT. One Learning to Live, A Change of Seasons. The Dark Eternal Night. Take the Time. Smedley Wilcox. Lineups. Dream Theater. Opeth. Between the Buried and Me. 3. Tour dates. Notes. Personnel. Dream Theater. James Labrie, lead vocals. John Petrucci, guitar, backing vocals. Mike Portnoy, drums, backing vocals. John Ming, bass guitar. Jordan Rudess, keyboards. Opeth. Mikkel Ackerfold, lead vocals, guitar. Frederica Kesson, guitar, backing vocals. Martin Mendez, bass guitar. Per Wiberg, keyboards, backing vocals. Martin Oxenrit, drums. Between the Buried and Me. Tommy Giles Rogers Jr., lead vocals, keyboard. Paul Wagoner, lead guitar, backing vocals. Dusty Waring, rhythm guitar. Blake Richardson, drums. Dan Briggs, bass guitar. 3. Joey Eppard, lead vocals, acoustic and electric guitars. Billy Riker, guitars, effects. Chris Gardman, drums, backing vocals. Daniel Grimsland, bass, backing vocals. References.